say?
Hello. Are you having a good day today, Boo Boo Swisher?
Tell her what his name is.
His name is Boo Boo Swisher, and I like him so much. Even I like the rest of the babykins, even though name is Polka Dot and Cuddles. But how many old is him?
They're 8 weeks old.
They're 8 weeks old. How old is him?
8 weeks.
And the Boo Swisher is 8 weeks. And
Are you the fox?
8 weeks. And nobody can resist but my rest. The rest of them are not very great. They fight all the time, too.
Okay.